Hey guys, this is the quad lock vent mount. It's pretty easy to install. It takes all of about 2 minutes. I'm just sliding it in here to my vent, and then trying to do this one-handed here isn't the easiest, but you just tighten this down, which brings in that hook on the vent. And in this case, it's kind of tightening on the top, just where I'm putting it. But otherwise, you just tighten it up and you're done. I did add the magnetic head, charging head from them as well. It's just to remove that screw, put this one on, and you're done. So it came with the cord here. It's 1.5 meters. I just ran it behind this. I think this was just something else that prior owner had on there. It just crimps in between their piece and the side trim there. And I just ran it down to the cigarette lighter. And quad lock has a dual head, USB or USB-C and USB head, so pretty simple.